Good morning, good afternoon, or very good evening to all the students and teachers watching this video. Before moving forward, I would like to welcome you all in our own YouTube channel, that is My Online English Class. Students, I wish you all a very happy Ganesh festival. In this video, we are going to learn how to give a short and simple speech about Ganesh festival. So let us start with the speech. You can start the speech by wishing or greeting the audience according to the time of the day. You can say good morning, or if it's an afternoon, you can say good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to talk about our most favorite festival, that is Ganesh festival. Ganesh festival is an important Hindu festival celebrated mainly in Maharashtra. It is celebrated every year for 10 days. It begins with the Chaturthi, when people install Ganesh idols in their homes and temples. This festival ends on Anant Chaturdashi with Ganesh Visarjan. This is a fun-filled annual festival. All the devotees of Lord Ganesha come together irrespective of their differences. This festival is celebrated as a symbol of wisdom, prosperity, and good fortune. Ganesh festival spreads joy and unites people all over India. Thanks to Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, a freedom fighter who turned the event into a grand public event. He utilized this festival to unite Indians against the British rule. So, friends, we should also strive to use this festival for raising awareness about different social issues. Thanks all for listening.